Welcome back. Now that we've created our staff team, in this case, I've created the St. Demo School ECSD staff room team. Let's take a closer look at how we can either add members or invite members to join our team by generating a join code. To add members ourselves, I can simply find the name of the school team and come over here to the right where I see the 3 dots or the Timbits for the More Options menu. Notice that in this More Options menu, I do have a shortcut directly to Add Members. If I select this, the Add Members window pops up and I can just simply start typing the names of my colleagues. Another way that I can add members to the team is by coming back to the Timbits, the 3 dots for the More Options menu, and selecting Manage Team. Here I have access to all of the settings of the staff team, including the Members tab. Inside the Members tab, I can see who's already a part of this team and what role they play on the team, whether they are an owner, a member, or a guest. Right now, I can see that I am the only member of the team and I am set to owner because I was the original creator of the team. Let's go ahead and start adding additional members. Again, I can simply, here inside the Members tab, click the Add Member button in the top right corner. And once again, I can simply start typing the name of my colleague and notice that his or her name will appear in the global address list. Notice that I can add in additional members before I click to add. Now, before I officially add them to the team, I can decide if I'm going to make them a member or an owner. Remember that owners have more privileges. They're able to delete channels and delete other content within the team, whereas a member only has access to participate in the team. So let's leave Liam set to member and we'll change Ben to an owner and click close. Now in the Members tab, I can see that there are 2 owners of the team, myself and my colleague Ben, and I can see that Liam is a member of this team. Another way I can consider adding members to the team is letting my colleagues join the team themselves with a generated join code. To access that join code for your team, again, find the name of your team here along the left and click on the 3 dots or the Timbits for the More Options menu and select Manage Team. Here inside of Manage Team, you're going to go to the Settings tab along the top, and about halfway down you will see Team Code. In order to generate a new team code for your colleagues, simply click the Generate button. Now, if you find that this code may be too difficult, you can always click Reset to generate a new code. Once you have generated the code, you would provide your colleagues with this code. When they come to Teams, they would start from their team's view where they see all of their team's tiles, and they would simply come up to the top right corner, Join or Create Team. And instead of Create Team, they would enter in that join code here in the tile, Join a Team with a Code.